Little girl puts on her skates, sits down on the porch and waits, and hopes her daddy won't be long. One more call, one more meeting, afternoon turns into evening, still he ain't made it home. There's things that matter, things that don't. Someplace else someone slams the door, says I don't love you anymore. Looks like another sleepless night. Tossing, turning on the couch, he wonders if they'll work it out. It's all about being happy and being right. There's things that matter, and things that don't. You only get so many trips around the sun. Some things matter, some things don't. It's up to you to choose which one. So tonight as I close my eyes, I pray, Lord, help me realize something I already know. There's things that matter, and things that don't. Little girl puts on her skates, sits down on the porch and waits, and hopes her daddy won't be long. There's things that matter, and things that don't. Thank you.
Daugherty. I'm glad you picked that one because we got to hear him do that in the back seat of the van in the 13-hour ride to Wisconsin Thursday. Thank you, Caleb.